It's like zoomed into your face.
Oh.
It looks terrible. There.
Okay, move, cause the lighting. Tender.
It doesn't actually make a difference, you know that, right?
Okay, sorry. You're gonna make me so uncomfortable, it's not even funny. Okay, hey guys, it's Rata, and I'm gonna be doing a 3 months post hair video or hair length check video. I don't know. So I'm just gonna tell you like the things I learned while transitioning or once I became natural, and we're gonna do a length check at the end to see how long my hair is, if you guys really care to see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I wrote things down on my phone, so I'm just gonna like say what I wrote down. The first thing for me, I think that like really got me like really weird, and I think it gets everybody like freaked out, which is the shrinkage. I am not a fan of short hair. Like, I can't deal with short hair. This is like too short for me, but like I stretched it right now so it looks a little bit longer than it originally does, but the shrinkage is real. Like, it is there, and it is uncomfortable. It takes time to get used to it or get comfortable with the shrinkage, but it is what it is. So yeah, and also it's easier to style when it's wet than when it's dry, and it's easier to comb when it's wet than when it's dry. So yeah, that's one thing I learned, because when it's dry it becomes so hard, and yeah, it's just a struggle, and I'm not here for it. No. Okay, and my hair loves water, so yeah, so when it has water it feels really nice, and it's so soft, and or just moisture in general. When it's moisturized it feels really good than when it's not moisturized. So yeah, and oh yeah, and then my curl pattern. Well, I don't know what my curl pattern is, but I know I'm in the type 4 range, but I don't know if I'm like 4A, 4B, or 4C. But I think I'm between 4B or 4C, but I'm not really sure. But I know that on the sides it's really, really kinky, and then in the middle it's so soft, it's not even funny. But yeah, I wish it was that soft all over my hair and not just on the sides. But yeah, I think the kinkiness on the sides makes it look a little bit cool. And this side is shorter than this side. Was it this side that's shorter? Yeah, this side is shorter than this side. So yeah, that's really weird. I think it's the way I cut it when I was doing my big chop. But yeah. Oh, my hair regimen, I wouldn't call it a regimen, but like how I usually wash my hair. I shampoo my hair, I condition it, then I deep condition, and then after deep conditioning, then I put in my leave-in, my curling cream, and an oil to seal in the moisture. So yeah, because it's always good to put oil after moisturizing your hair, because it helps to seal in the moisture. And what is this? And usually at night, so when I go to sleep, I stretch out my hair. So how I would stretch my hair is I would part my hair in 2 sections, and then part it again in half from those 2 sections, and then just put it in, what is this? I put it in like mini buns all over, and then go to sleep. And then in the morning when I wake up, my hair is pretty stretched out. It's not like really stretched out, but it is stretched out. And yeah, that's how I stretch out my hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And what I learned about transitioning is transitioning with type 4 hair is not easy. So it's best you do it with, I think it's best with other types of hair. Type 4 hair is really hard, especially having to deal with the 2 textures and having to comb your hair. It's a headache. And I transitioned for 10 months or 11 months, I'm not really sure, and then I cut my hair, and I've been 3 months natural right now. So y'all, let's do a length check. My hair doesn't reach here, which is why I didn't like bother having to wear like a white shirt or something. So I think I'm gonna start with my hair at the back, and then I'm just gonna try like stretch it out real good for you guys. And yeah, so okay, so the hair at the back is kind of long. It's pretty much like up to here, so it's not that long, but at the same time it's really long. So it reaches this part, like it's it reaches my neck, so it's like there. And then on the side, oh gosh, okay, on the sides is okay, it's pretty long, but yeah, So on the sides it's just like midway there, so it's almost like, yeah, in the middle of my neck in a way. I'm not really sure, but yeah. And then in the front, well, I plait my hair in the front here, but I didn't do it really good, but anyway. So I'm just gonna take the hair from there, and then yeah, so in the front is like, it's good enough to create a, what is this, a bob? No, it's not a bob, it's a French, né? Yeah, it's good enough to create.
No, it's a bob.
No, it's not a bob, because a bob is like a,
Oh yeah, I have to French.
yeah, it's good enough to create a fringe, or a, I don't know what how we put it down, but yeah. So that's pretty much my hair and how it has grown over like 3 months, and the transitioning months too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notification so you can be notified every time I post a video. And please don't forget to follow my social medias, and I'll put them up here. And also, turn on my post notification, comment down below, and tell me what you guys think about this video and videos you guys would like to see from me. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and get your friends to subscribe, and just subscribe. And shout out of the week is gonna be up here. Shout out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.
I don't wanna know who's taking you home.